In the second step, an overhead feeding machine moves loose above the bears.
Temperature is stable, 37.5 Celsius. No anomalies detected.
Good. Logging that as healthy, moving to the next one.
In step 4, the bears are moved onto the platform.
Vitals on platform 6 look good, moving to scanning arch.
As each bear passes, the doctors use digital machines to check body temperature, heart rate, and overall health inward.
In the sixth step, the bears move past this medical station. Our doctors and technicians take samples and close.
In the eighth step, the healthy polar bears are slowly transported toward the processing chamber on a fully automated.
This one meets the premium standard. How about this section? That one is borderline, sorted for industrial use.
In the 10th step, fully automated robots take control of the black bear hides on the conveyor line.
In the 12th step, the bear hide continue through a series of large washing tanks. Workers use long poles to observe.
In the 13th step, the cleaned bear hides are placed into a large treatment tank. Workers
Water quality is stable, readings are optimal.
And the hides are perfectly clean. We can move them to the tanning section. The pH level is stable at 3.5. Keep rotating the hides slowly.
Yes, doctor, ensuring full saturation now.
Step 18, on high-pressure shower rinse for bear hides. In the 8th step, the bear hides are
Check this spot here, looks like a slight discoloration. Got it. We will monitor it through the next section.
In the 20th step, the freshly rinsed bear hides move to the end of the shower line, where the excess water is quickly removed. In this step, wet bear hides enter a fully automated heat drying chamber. Controlled warm air.
Minor cracking here along the spine.
Okay, tag that one for rehydration. The rest look good.
In the 26th step, the inspected bear hides are sorted and grouped according to their quality and thickness. Step 27, surface finishing and finishing lines. Step 35, surface coating and color finishing of bear leather. In the 35th step, the bear leather is given its final professional finish. In the 39th step, the bear leather receives its final protective seal. As the hides travel over large steel rolls.
In the 40th step, the finished bear leather hides are buffed to achieve a smooth, luxury surface. A large rotating brush head.
Keep the temperature consistent. We need that flexibility for the luxury bags. Got it. The pattern is very crisp.
In the 43rd step, the fully finished bear leather hides move through a cooling and conditioning tunnel. After heat,
Let's increase the speed slightly and check the gloss.
Much better. The consistency is spot on now.
Gauge confirms the thickness. The softness is excellent.
Data logged. Quality approval for step 49 is complete.
Make sure the mahogany goes on shelf B, batch 459.
Check batch 54A against the list. Confirmed. Secure it tightly.
in the 57th step, the bear leather pieces are given their final fashion colors. Workers in yellow uniforms The multicolored bear leather pieces receive a gentle final rinse and inspection. Workers are checking that the color is even and the leather surface is smooth. The multicolored bear leather pieces receive a gentle final rinse and inspection. Workers are checking that the color is even and the leather surface is smooth.
Red, size large.
Navy, also large.
Order code large red confirmed. Placing in carton.
Next up, small dash black.
In this step, large brown bear leather panels are decorated with detailed embroidery. The automated machine
The handle stress is good, it passes. I'll apply the tag.
In the 92nd step, exotic bear pattern leather sheets are shaped over wooden molds using forming machines.
Step 101, cow, rolling and assembling cylindrical bear leather cases.
Step 102, edge stitching premium bear leather covers. Bear leather covers receive precise edge stitching, framing embossed branding and ensuring durability.
heavy-duty stitching locks shoulder straps firmly onto bare leather cases for safe carrying. Finishing luxury bare leather portfolios. Step 113. Displaying them finished bare leather portfolios.